In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change theme to light or dark mode in FxPro. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to this channel. Alright, so the first thing you need to do is to go ahead and log into your terminal. For my case, I'm on FxPro. From here, there are two ways you can achieve this. First, you can go to settings here, and from settings, you should see theme. To change your theme from dark mode to light mode, just go ahead and just click on it, and this will go ahead and switch your theme from light mode to dark mode. Should you want to switch this again, just go ahead and just click on theme and it will be reverted to dark mode. Alternatively, you can switch from dark to light theme using this icon here. So if you click on this, it will go ahead and switch your theme to whichever mode that you wish. And as you can see, now I'm in light mode, and if I wish to go to dark mode, I can just click on it again and I'll revert back to dark mode. So that's how you can switch to dark and light mode in FxPro. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.